Have a Wolfgang Puck pressure oven, Kitchentec that will not heat up. Are replacement parts available? Model Peppo 1002A.
How old is your Wolfgang Puck pressure oven?
Maybe 4 to 5 years.
How long has this been going on with your Wolfgang Puck pressure oven? What have you tried so far?
Light comes on, timer works but neither upper or lower elements head up.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. Worked fine until 2 days ago. Tried different outlets.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. The issue very well may be the oven control board. The oven control board has relays that regulate power to the bake, broil and fan circuits according to the user settings and sensor input. If one of these relays shorts out, the control board may send continuous voltage to the oven fan. However, this is rarely the case. Before replacing the control board, first check the oven thermostats. If an oven thermostat fails, it may cause the oven fan to run continuously. Please let me know if my solution worked for you. Waiting for your reply.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.